What it do, man? It's your boy Battle Truth coming to you live and direct from the Battle Truth headquarters. Let's get right off into this. Man, it's a lot going down in battle rapping in the last 24 hours, man. You got Tay Rock leaving, Dot Mob, Murder Mook throwing Tay Rock under the bus, man. You got New Jersey Twerk now allegedly maybe into some confrontation with Trick and them again. Okay, Swave, you up. You up. Restoring order. You up. Yeah, this a big one, fam. This a big one, maybe. I mean, I don't know. I just know the sources that I'm speaking about it is very reliable. It all seemed to line up and make sense with what's going on. So you definitely up. You up, brother. How you going to address this? How you going to talk about this situation? I'm just going to give you some words of advice being an older brother. First, I think you need to get the facts of what may be going on. So you know them brothers and I don't. Talk to them personally, see what's going on. Calico is the medium between the two. He called Trick his uncle, so I know they have a good relationship. And I know Calico has some type of love and respect for New Jersey Twerk. So try to get them brothers to come together to extinguish that situation before it escalate and get out of trouble and somebody really get hurt, brother. And try to get on this ASAP if possible for, you know, the media take off with it, run it and make it bigger than what it need to be. Them brothers need to understand, man. You know what I'm saying? Look, again, when you wrong somebody, man, just make it right. Just make it right. Brothers got to be men, man. Step up to the plate, accept responsibilities, man. If you're in a situation where you could, again, gain a friend and rather gaining a brother rather than an enemy, man, that's always a good and a plus, man. But we here, man. It's a lot of things that need to be worked out when it comes to this stuff. Even with Smack good with Trick. However, I think brothers need to intervene. Brothers need to mediate, somehow bring that thing together. So these things could just be done away with, man. We don't need this stuff in battle rap. We don't need this stuff in life. It's bad enough brothers already seem like we just hate each other. Like we can't stand to see each other successful. We always got to tear each other down and hate on and take things away. Now, don't get me wrong. Some brothers do need to be put in their place, checked and rebuked when they wrong and out of pocket. But just hating on somebody for no reason, just want to hurt and cause harm to people for no reason, without no just cause and things like that. That's the thing that's crazy. That's what's shiesty. That's what's bogus. Because it should never have to be that way. Now, New Jersey Twerk. Again, if you disrespected that man felt you disrespected him or threatened his life in some type of way, even though you may have been looking at it in battle rap, it's only for you to make that right, man. You know what I'm saying? So, Sway, my thing is, you got to take immediate action on this, man. See what's going on with them brothers. Call them up. Any connection you may can get, man, so that them brothers can resolve this problem before it get, like I say, out of control. Brothers don't want to live their life looking over each other's shoulders and things like that, man. And I don't know if you even got a relationship with him, but if you do, man, maybe you should reach out to, you know what I'm saying, however it is, man. Get them brothers together on a conference call or something, alleviate that problem, man, so that we can move on and just try to keep the peace in battle rap, man. Just keep the peace in this stuff, you know. And it's your boy Battle Truth. It ain't my judgment that's in question. It's yours. Sway, your immediate presence is needed to restore order in the New Jersey Twerk and Trick Daddy situation, you know. So if you need my help or support or anything, I'm with you, because I know you were saying stuff like that on the Angry Fan. You need bloggers and other people to come through on the team. You already know what I do. So I'll be more than happy to help you in this cause of restoring order to make sure the battle rap community is ran properly. Like I told you before, I handle the blogging. You can take care of the battle rappers. But it is what it is, man. Talk to them, brothers. Try to mediate that situation. Bring them together if you can, man. It's your boy Battle Truth. It ain't my judgment that's in question. It's yours. Subscribe to Battle Truth.